Welcome back everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to get your link profile on the RedNote app on your iPhone. So if you recently changed from TikTok to RedNote and you want to share your profile so you gain followers on this account, then let me show you how to do this. So since the ban of TikTok in the US, many users have now gone over to the RedNote app and they've created their account. So if you want to tell your followers where you are now on social media, then let me show you how to do this. So before you begin, you want to first go to your app store. You want to search for RedNote. This app looks like this. Tap on it and go ahead and open it. Here you need to make sure that's been updated to the latest version. Once that's updated, go ahead and open the app. In the app, you want to go ahead and tap on Me here at the bottom right. And from here, you want to go ahead and tap on this arrow here, which looks like a share button. This will now ask you if you want to share it to your friends or Weibo. However, here we want a profile link so that you can share it with your followers. So down below, you'll see something called copy link. Tap on it, and now link has been copied. So you can go ahead and open up a message app. Go ahead and paste that link. And now this is your profile link, which you have pasted in message. So there you go, guys. That is how to get your profile link on your RedNote app using your iPhone. If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.